Rise and extend my remarks for 1 minute.
Without objection.
Today, I cast one of the proudest votes I will ever cast in this body. I was a yay on the Respect for Marriage Act. When I was elected to this body, I became one of the first 2 openly gay black members ever to serve in Congress. Growing up closeted, I never imagined Congress would pass a bill like this or that I would be in a position to introduce it with Representative Nadler. I was too young to remember Congress passing the Defense of Marriage Act, but I know exactly where I was when the Supreme Court struck it down in United States v. Windsor. I had just graduated law school and I was studying for the bar exam. And at the time, because of moderates like Justice Kennedy, I still had faith that the Supreme Court was committed to protecting my basic civil rights as a gay American. That was a different Supreme Court than the one we have today. The far-right supermajority on the court is on a rampage against fundamental rights. As members of the LGBTQ+ community prepare to face the worst assault on our rights in a decade, Congress must do whatever it takes to protect our humanity. This bill is a great first step. It ensures that the federal government will not discriminate against same-sex and interracial couples who have been legally married. But Congress must also pass other legislation to ensure marriage equality as the law of the land. Mr. Speaker, I will conclude by simply saying that I'm very grateful to this Congress and to be in this place. I yield.
For what purposes, the gentleman from California seek recognition?